If you're tired of having your offers beat out in the pre-owned home market, or just want a new construction home in general that works best for you with your family, make sure to use Mahogany Group. With Mahogany Group, you save an extra 2% on any new home. That's because we rebate you 67% of our commission that the builder pays us. In addition to 2% rebate, we have a few things such as direct resources to get you started with down payment assistance, and oftentimes amenities such as a refrigerator or a washer-dryer, or window treatments such as blinds or garage door opener, and more. Amenities as those mentioned above normally only come after you purchase the home and you pay for it out of your own pocket. And if you've researched it lately, a decent refrigerator can cost you about $2,000 or more. A washer-dryer set can also cost you around $2,000 or more. A garage door opener plus installation costs you about $1,200. And window treatments for your whole home can cost you anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 for a decent set. Now you do the math on how much you're saving and giving a leg up on the competition out there. If you're interested in saving thousands of extra on your new home, contact us now.